Hey guys, right now I want to show you the business website that I made with AI that I'm going to show you how we can make also in this video. Of course, you can make it way better. I didn't do any coding. So I got a Growth Consulting here, book consultation, contact us are interactive. Then I got here the companies, what we offer, why choose us, the happy clients here, then how it works. Then got also case studies here. When I open the case study, I got a case study here. Look at that. And then I got also contact us. So this is something that I made. And I'm going to share with you how we can make something like this. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create your own business website with AI without coding, without trying to move elements for 2 hours and being frustrated. I will show you step-by-step process. So the first thing is that we are going to use Claude Design. We are not going to use anything else, nothing related to coding. And also with Claude Design, I'm using Claude Pro account. So we're not going to start writing and prompting in Claude Design. The first thing we're going to do, we have to find some great looking template on Google that we are going to use as an inspiration, as a reference for Claude as a starting point. So I really like this website. Can you make something similar to this and just like remove that, add that? We'll show you. So what you can do is that you can come here to Google and write a business website template Webflow or Framer or Figma or just regular template. Or if you have someone who got great looking website, like it's amazing, and you would like to have something like that too, you can even use that as an inspiration. So here I got this one, the Nux template from Webflow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to Google and I will write website to PNG. Website to PNG screenshot, add URL, and I'm going to add image PNG. Capture website. So now it's going to capture the website for me. And I'm going to click download and I got it. So 7 megabytes. Okay. Now I'm going to come to Claude Design and then I'm going to open the file and I'm going to paste it. And now I just have to write a text. So this is something that I prepared. Hi, make me a business website. Use this screenshot as an inspiration. I want it to be mobile friendly. For loading sign, have nothing there, no logo. Because what happens is that when you're going to make a website with Claude Design, it's going to put this in this loading site, a logo of whatever. So you just want to remove it automatically. I also want to have a little bit of animations and moving elements. Remove the pricing there. So I'm just right now adjusting what I want and what I don't want. So I don't like the pricing because I just want to be the contact page. Also, create also some case studies for my business. Fake ones, I wouldn't replace them. Also for pictures, replace them with something else from the internet. Instead of button buy, now have contact us. So that's something that I want to have a contact us right here on top right. Also remove pricing, have there on bottom for contact us address, number, email, and also map on the left. Ask me questions related to this. So now what the Claude Design is going to do is going to ask me questions like an address, maybe what kind of colors I want, things like that. I want you to be creative. Okay, so we're gonna send in. And there are no limits. Like you can achieve a lot with the AI, and it completely, in my opinion, beats out like Wix, Webflow, not Webflow really, but Wix definitely. And the amount of work that you have to do comparing to achieve the results that you want. So that's what I found out. But primarily in today's times, the website is kind of, it's important thing, but most important thing, your presence on social media and reminding yourself, right? It really depends what kind of business you got, but remember that, okay? So industry, what do you do, and your company name, if you have one, this drives all the copy. So here I'm going to set up the business, and let's say that I go to ChatGPT, okay, and I'll just write here, generate me a business for just making website example, let's say consultations on how to grow. Okay, so now I'm just setting up Apex growth. Now we go here and I just write it. Who's the main audience? Other businesses. Which section do you want? Hero, logos, services, what do you offer? Why choose us? Testimonials, how it works, case studies, final call to action, contact section with the map. Okay, how many fake case studies? Right now we're gonna go with 4. And tone of the copy, so we can go with a professional, corporate. Let's go with that. How much animation? We can go with the medium, and contact details for holders. So set up me contact details, address, number, email. And again, I'm just going to write it. And business hours. Where should the map point? City or address is enough. So here we're gonna go. What variation to choose from? We can go with just one Polish site. And then you're gonna have the design template. So this is what is great, is that it's going to ask me the design, what I would like. So we can go, I don't know, maybe the industry. Let's go with industry. And then I'm going to press continue. So now it's going to create a site for me based on the things that I want. After it's going to generate the website, we are going to edit it, what we actually want and don't want on our site. So now it made me a website, but as you can see, it's not that amazing, only because you see how is the picture that is not on the right, and it's happening everywhere. Also, there's only one happy client here. Then I would like to have actually like existing the case studies that I can click on. Okay, so what we are going to do is this. Now we have to say, Claude, what is wrong. So I'm going to come here to the website and I'm going to cut it like this. Hey there, and I'm just going to write it what I want to change. I want you to change multiple things. So the pictures are not on the right, left, but under. So I'm sending you how I want it and what you made. Okay, look at that. Second picture, and it's like that everywhere. Fix it. Now I'm going to write second thing, and that's, you know, okay, we have the companies here. The companies we want to have a loop, so companies under header, I want to be in loop. Okay, then we're gonna go also have multiple reviews like that for happy clients in those boxes, but also have option to move left and right. Then we're going to look on the case studies. So for case studies, I want you to write me some great looking websites, great looking case studies, and also want the articles to be graphical captivating. Okay, so that's something that I want, and also the contact as good. Okay, it's interactive. Okay, look. So now I'm going to change what I want. So you can input more stuff to Claude what you want to have different. So here on the top right, you're gonna have comment. So you can actually just do like this and you can start commenting. Then also you can have tweaks. Then if you can have some ideas what to change. Then also you have the edit here. Edit here means is that I can click on whatever element there is and then I can move it by my own. You can move it across the site. Or you have, for example, this here, and I can change the content to some different company. Or let's say that I want to have images there. Or I can just change the text here. So you can change a lot. And I don't know why it changed the color to, oh, it's good. So now this is how we can make the edits. Always before you're going to make any big changes, remember this. Go to top left and duplicate the project. Always. Only because it's difficult for Claude to go back. And that's something that you actually want. So check this out. This is the site. We got the header. Then when we're going to go further, we have the what we offer, why choose us, the happy clients. That is also looping. Then we have the how it works. And then a few projects we're proud of. So this is the case study. So I can click here and look at that. And you can even make it longer if you want. That also works. And then we're going to have contact us. And it was, I mean, not hard to achieve. In my opinion, I like it. So you can make it to your own way. You can edit things, you can add things, you can remove things. Let's say you want to have different kind of case studies, so you can play around with that. Now, maybe you're going to hit limits with Claude, so you have to wait, for example, 5 hours to make different edits. But it's still fine because it doesn't take too much bandwidth. Again, just my experience. So now when we have the website, we have to export it and edit to domain. I'm going to show you how we can do it. So here I'm going to go to top right and click share. There you can have project HTML, standalone HTML. Okay, export. What I'm going to do now is that we have to get a hosting. So you're going to come here to hostinger.com. You're going to have a link down below in the description for it, where you're going to have also 10% off. So here you can choose the premium. It's efficient. If you want to have more websites, you can go with the unlimited. And right when you're going to be here, you can see the period. So how many months you want. And for total, you want to write here Marcus coupon code, okay? And then you're going to have 10% off. Okay, sorry. Coupon code, Marcus, and you're going to hit here, apply. And you see 10% off. And then you're going to write here the domain name that you are going to write here, I don't know, your domain. Then you're going to press continue. Don't install WordPress. Don't start it with Hostinger, okay? Not needed. So now it downloaded. In the moment when you're going to be in Hostinger, I will show you how it works. So I'm going to go to my profile. And then I go to websites. And then I go to dashboard. And when you are going to be in dashboard, uploading is very simple. You are going to come to dashboard again, and then files, and file manager, and access to files. And I'm going to download the Apex. Okay, we got it. And I'm going to come here, access. Okay, we have in public HTML. I'm going to remove it. And you want to upload the site here and then rename it to index.html. So I can click here, index.html. We got it. And now when I'm going to open the website, so I go to websites, all websites, and I'm going to open the site. And did you see there was this logo that I would have to tell Claude to remove it, but then you have to upload it again. So look at that, it works. Then I have to also edit the pages here. So that's what I need to tell to Claude and ask it. But that's how we're gonna do it. So let's do that. So I was messaging with the Claude to have also the pages there. So it did for me. This is something that you can do, that if you want to have multiple pages, you can say to, you know, to Claude to make it for you. Now I'm going to upload and see if it's going to work out. It's already renamed me the file for index.html, the main one, but also it added all the other sites that are linking to it. So I got it. Now I go to the site. I'm going to refresh it. Again, there was this logo that I would need to change. And look at that, when I'm going to click strategy, here we got it. When I go back and I click here, I got the case studies. So everything is working well. Yeah, the logo needs to go away, but that's the only thing. But otherwise, I think it looks good. I mean, you share your opinion. What do you think about it? I don't know how this long would take me to make it with different website builders for the amount of bandwidth that I had to use. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided you value, and have a great day and goodbye.